Welcome to the channel. This is 5 Minutes of Value. My name is Brock. Let's dive right in. Today I'm going to be talking about 3 opportunities I see for the Mag 7 stocks. Some short-term gains and possibly long-term gains. So let's dive right in. Number 1 for me is going to be Apple. I believe Apple has just been in a range and it's bound to break out of this range. And we've been under the 200 moving average for quite some time, basically since March. Rejected and just had a lot of bad sentiment, news, earnings not coming up to expectations or meeting expectations. But there is buying. You see people buying this stock up, and kind of saw that on Friday, or I guess today as well, and starting to close above this 9 EMA, which is not a sign of a breakout, but we've just been in this range. There's not too much negative news stories that can come out and just totally obliterate the stock. It is possible, but kind of coming up to earnings and future releases for Apple, I think this could be a nice short-term trade and a long-term opportunity, of course. If you don't own this stock, I would suggest that you at least have it in your portfolio. But if you do own like an index, like the S&P 500, you do have this in your portfolio. And that's kind of a case of why to buy Apple sometimes, because if it's down quite a bit, there's always going to be people investing in their 401k. And that adds money to stocks like Apple, since it's such a large weighting in the portfolio of one of the largest indexes in the world, or in the U.S. stock market, which is the S&P 500. Opportunity number 2 is Google. I think Google had a negative news story come out about a lawsuit. I wasn't too sure about that one, but you can see investors are coming in here and buying it up. There's been a lot of negative sentiment on Google's AI contribution so far, and I think it's going to be a lot better than what people thought. And Google has a strong balance sheet, strong company, and it's going to be around for quite a bit. Even though ChatGPT is taking some market share, Google does have a lot of good products, YouTube, and that's number 2 for me. And stock number 3, Amazon. Any dips you can get on Amazon are dips worth buying. No need to explain too much on Amazon. Strong company, AWS, and simple as that. Thank you guys for watching. 5 Minutes of Value. Peace.